माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी।
Now, papers to be laid on the table. Sri Birendra Singh.
I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 1 of today's Rajya Sabha revised list of business.
Sri Jewel Oram.
के क्रम संख्या 2 पे मेरे नाम में उल्लेखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Srimati Smriti Subin Irani.
I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 3 in today's list of business.
Sri Bandaru Dattatreya.
Sir, I beg to lay the papers on the table of the House mentioned against my name at serial number 4 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Dharmendra Pradhan.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 5 in the today's revised list of business.
Sri Piyush Goyal.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 6 of today's revised list of business.
Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
With your permission, I wish to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 7 in the list of business of Rajya Sabha today.
Sri Haribai Pratibhai Chaudhary.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 8 पर मेरे नाम के उल्लेखित दस्तावेजों को सदन पटल पर रखना का चाहता हूँ।
Sri P. Radhakrishnan.
With your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers as mentioned against my name at serial number 9 in the revised list of business.
Sri Kiran Rijiju.
On the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 10 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Vishnudev Sai.
महोदय, मैं आज आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची क्रम संख्या 11 पर मेरे नाम में उल्लेखित कागजात सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Message from the Lok Sabha Secretary General.
I beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 17th of March 2015 passed the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Amendment Bill 2015. I lay a copy of the bill on the table.
Report of the Select Committee of the Mines and Mineral Development and Regulation Amendment Bill 2015 along with evidence tendered before the committee. Sri Bhupendra Yadav. Sri
The Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Bill 2015.
Along with evidence.
Report of the Select Committee on Coal Mines Special Provisions Bill 2015. Sri Anil Madhav Dave.
महोदय, मैं राज्यसभा की कोयला खदान विशेष अनुबंध विधेयक 2015 संबंधी प्रवर समिति का प्रतिवेदन अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
I would like to speak something about this.
LOP,
एक मिनट।
LOP wants to say something. What is the matter?
Sir,
On this subject?
on this subject, sir.
Okay.
Sir, on behalf of my party, we want to register our protest against the manner in which the Mines and Minerals Regulation and Development Amendment Bill 2015 and Coal Mines Special Bill 2015 are being rushed for passing as understood the following.
Why?
The bill were not referred to the standing committee in the first instance.
That's all.
The
We
government
referred to Select Committee.
After the bill was referred, yes, we also wanted the bill should be referred to the Select Committee. It was referred. Of course, at that point of time also, my party said that we wanted this on the first week, the report to come on the first week of the next part of the session. But since the other political parties did not want it, but the concerns of the members of the party from our side have not been taken on board. The stakeholders, the concerns of the stakeholders have not been taken on board. The other state governments were to participate in this. They were not called. The Ministry of Tribal Welfare, which is responsible for the implementation of Forest Act, they were not taken on board. The Ministry of Environment and Forest was not taken on board. The Ministry of Labor was also not taken on board. The consumers were not taken on board. So the whole purpose of sending it to the Select Committee is frustrated.
But there
the
is
whole purpose, it is totally frustrated.
No, but
So it is one meaningless.
there is a procedure for that.
सिलेक्ट कमेटी के बिजनेस पर यहाँ बात नहीं हो सकती।
Select committee has a procedure. Select committee has a procedure that is for the committee to take care of, not for me. No, see, the honorable members, select committee has a procedure. It is for the select committee and the chairman to take care of it. Here, the report is presented, and if you had any reservation, that will come in the form of dissent. When which is taken up for discussion, you can raise all these matters. When it is taken up for discussion, you can raise all these matters. Okay, that's all. I am not allowing anything more. Now sit down. If all of you speak together, what do I do? No. See, that is correct, but there is a procedure. There is a procedure. No, please. All of you, Mr. Misri, go. What do you want? What do you want? I am not allowing. No. What do you want? Please go by. Go by. No, no, no. No, no, no. This is not allowed. This cannot be. This cannot be. This cannot be. This cannot be. One second. Wait. Sir, 1 second. Mistry, let me go myself. Sit down. Baba, sit down. Sit down. Baba, Chupra. Now see, honorable member. Now, see. Now listen. Now, answer Madhi, please take your seat. Now see, honorable members. Yes, honorable LOP has raised a point. I allowed him to raise. But there is a procedure. Now please, you are a vice chairman. See, there is a procedure for. Now please. There is a procedure for select committee, and select committee, in the select committee, members can raise their. Let me complete. Please, you rein in. Mr. Hari Sharma, rein in them. You please rein in them. No. I am not allowing all this. This is indiscipline. I am not. You are not allowing to me to speak. No. I am not allowing. Why don't you allow me to speak? They are not allowing me to speak. No. I am not allowing all this nonsense. This is nothing but nonsense. See, Anumand Rao, Mr. Mistry, Mr. Khan, please listen to what I am saying. See, please listen. I am only saying that whatever reservation you have, you could have said in the select committee. Now please. I am not allowing. Then you complain to the, yes, you could have complained to the chairman. No. Sir, you can raise it during the time of discussion.
सुनो सर
See, the bill is coming for discussion. The bill will be coming for discussion. You raise it at that point of time.
सेलेक्ट कमेटी की रिपोर्ट सेलेक्ट कमेटी के चेयरमैन
Honorable members, bill will be cited for discussion at that time. You can raise all objections. Why do you do it now?
जो है वो जब चर्चा होगी,
Raise it at the time of the bill being discussed. Why do it now?
आपकी आपत्ति है उससे आप चर्चा कर
Mr.
सकते
Naqvi.
हैं। जब डिस्कशन होगा, at the time of the discussion, you can discuss your all the objections. But why you are objecting the report? और जबकि सेलेक्ट कमेटी में सारे के सारे तो हमारे कांग्रेस के सम्मानित सदस्य रहे,
What happened to you?
की व्यक्ति है। उसके बाद आज जब इस समय उसका विरोध करना अपने आप में कई तरह के सवाल खड़े कर रहा है।
अरे
और किस तरह की नीति और नियत है उस पर सवाल खड़ा कर रहा है।
No, these members have opportunity to raise these issues at the time of the discussion of the bill. It is just obstruction what they are doing, unnecessary. क्या? बताओ उधर से You can raise it at the time of the discussion of the bill. Why do you now?
सर पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर। सर सेलेक्ट कमेटी की रिपोर्ट के प्रेजेंट करने के समय मैं रूल 92 पार्ट 2 in a presentation a report of the chairman and of the committee or in the absence of the member representing the report shall if make any remark confine himself to a brief statement of the fact but there shall be a no debate on this stage. This is a rule 92 91 part 2. There will be no debate and they are not only violating the rules but morally they are doing wrong.
What is the purpose? See, I am requesting the agitating members to listen to me. I am requesting you to listen to me for a minute. This is unbecoming behavior. Kindly listen to me 1 minute. See, what is this? Don't do this, Mr. Khan. I'll have to take action. Don't do this. This is unfortunate, very unfortunate. No, please. Why? Now, please. Please, please. I am requesting the members, please listen to me at least. Mr. Khan, Mr. Khan, I would request Honorable LOP. House is adjourned for 10 minutes.